right now. Inside every cell of your body, there is a set of instructions that determines how you look, how your body functions, and even how you respond to diseases. These instructions are written in a molecule so small that you cannot see it with the naked eye, yet it carries the blueprint of your entire life. This molecule is called DNA. If DNA gets damaged or altered, it can lead to serious conditions like genetic disorders or even cancer. So the question is, what exactly is DNA, and how does it control the human body? DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the genetic material found in almost every cell of your body. It is located inside the nucleus of the cell and acts like a master instruction manual. DNA contains all the information needed to build, maintain, and regulate the human body. From your eye color to your height, from how your organs function to how your body responds to infections, everything is influenced by DNA. DNA is structured like a twisted ladder, known as a double helix. This structure is made up of 4 chemical building blocks called bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. The sequence of these bases forms a code, and this code carries biological instructions. Just like letters form words and sentences, these base sequences form instructions that tell cells what to do. Within DNA, there are specific segments called genes. Genes are the functional units of DNA. Each gene carries instructions for making proteins, which are essential molecules that perform most of the work inside the body. Proteins help build tissues, regulate chemical reactions, transport molecules, and support the immune system. In simple terms, genes tell your body how to build and operate itself. Every human has around 20,000 to 25,000 genes, and these genes are inherited from parents. Half of your DNA comes from your mother, and half from your father. This is why children often share physical traits with their parents. However, small variations in genes make each person unique. The discovery of DNA has a fascinating history. In 1953, scientists James Watson and Francis Crick, along with contributions from Rosalind Franklin, revealed the double helix structure of DNA. This discovery transformed biology and medicine, allowing scientists to understand how genetic information is stored and transmitted. Sometimes, changes or errors occur in DNA. These are called mutations. Some mutations are harmless, but others can lead to diseases. For example, certain genetic mutations can cause conditions like cystic fibrosis, while others can increase the risk of diseases such as cancer. Understanding these genetic changes helps doctors diagnose and treat diseases more effectively. Today, modern technology is taking genetics to a whole new level. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to analyze massive amounts of genetic data. AI can identify patterns in DNA, predict the risk of diseases, and even help design personalized treatments based on a person's genetic makeup. Technologies like gene editing, including CRISPR, are also being developed to correct faulty genes and potentially cure genetic disorders in the future. DNA and genes are the foundation of life. They carry the instructions that guide every process in your body, from growth and development to health and disease. By understanding DNA, we not only understand ourselves better, but we also unlock the potential to prevent and treat diseases in ways that were once unimaginable.